The VONFORN 700W HVLP Paint Sprayer is a versatile and powerful spray gun designed for a variety of painting projects, including furniture, cabinets, fences, walls, and garden chairs. It comes with 4 different nozzle sizes: 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, and 3 spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular, making it adaptable to various applications. Unique to this model are its blowing and cleaning functions, which allow you to blow away dust before painting and clean the sprayer efficiently after use. With adjustable flow control, it's designed to minimize paint waste while ensuring a smooth finish. Easy to assemble and clean, this sprayer is perfect for DIYers and beginners. Customers love the VONFORN Paint Sprayer for its user-friendly design and versatile nozzle options, allowing them to achieve precise results on a variety of surfaces. The 3 spray patterns provide flexibility for different projects, and the 700 watts power ensures a smooth, even application. Users also appreciate the dust blowing feature, which helps prep surfaces before painting for a better finish. The cleaning connector simplifies maintenance, making it easy to clean the sprayer without hassle. Many have noted that the adjustable flow control knob is a great feature for controlling the paint output, preventing overspraying or wasting paint. While the VONFORN Paint Sprayer is well received, some users found that the plastic components, such as the nozzles, can wear down over time, especially with frequent use. A few customers mentioned that the sprayer can be a bit bulky to handle for extended periods, leading to arm fatigue. Additionally, there were reports that achieving a perfect finish requires careful adjustment of the flow control and frequent practice to avoid uneven spraying. Lastly, some users noted that while the unit is easy to clean, it requires thorough attention to prevent clogging, especially when switching between different types of paint. The VONFORN 700W HVLP Paint Sprayer is a versatile, easy-to-use tool ideal for both beginners and experienced DIYers. Its multiple nozzle sizes, adjustable flow control, and convenient cleaning functions make it a strong contender for various painting projects. Although the plastic nozzles may show wear with heavy use, and the sprayer can feel bulky during long sessions, its powerful performance and practical features, such as the dust blowing function, make it a valuable addition to any home improvement toolkit. If you found this review helpful and want to explore more, don't miss out. Check the product using the link in the description and see it for yourself.